let's jump over and let's talk about Alexis Shop here. So Alexis has got My Blooming Creativity Studio. I love it. All of our Easter items are on sale for 20% off. Check out our cute Easter print selections. All right, let's check it out. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom of your shop and check if you've got your policies put together. So yeah, it looks good here. No returns, clear little policies, a nice little story and bio. And you even got the updates with your products on sale. So everything looks really good. Your shop foundation is set up correctly. You've got a logo, you've got your policies, your description, everything. So that looks really good. So let's click on this one here and see what do we got. We've got printable Easter stickers, Easter print and cut stickers, and Easter stickers PNG, happy Easter stickers, printable sticker sheet. So let's go ahead and check one of these keywords. I think one of the biggest challenges with the digital items, like the biggest obstacle, the biggest battle you've got to win is your photo, right? As it is with all products, but I think even more so with digital products, it's going to make a big difference on that first photo that you got. So let's see here. On these ones right here, I feel like the text that you have here, in this pink box, is just too small. You know, it's like if you've ever driven down the road and you've seen a billboard on the side of the road with like all this stuff on it, and it's like 10, you know, it's like 100 words of text and headlines. It's so small and you're driving by and you're like, I can't even read all of that. How am I supposed to read that? And I think that a lot of the best billboards are just ones that have like a big picture and one thing. So I would say for these ones, I think this stuff the text is a little small, and I would try to just make it bigger, try to make it a little bit clearer. And instead of trying to put so much into it. So I would say, you know, just Easter digital download stickers, you know, maybe make that a little bit bigger, that little bit of text. I kind of like the way these people did their text with, you know, very big, bold, easy to read text, very, very easy. This one's even pretty good. Again, big, bold, easy to read text, and it makes it a lot easier to say. Burma shave signs along the road. That must be a bad billboard or something. So that would be my first suggestion. And then the stickers look pretty cute. I almost wonder if you would do better testing a photo. This one's pretty good. You can kind of see all the stickers, but you could also try some where you just show off maybe 3 stickers, because again, then they're going to be a lot larger, you know, a lot easier for people to see. If you do 3 stickers, you know, maybe just an Easter bunny and an egg and a chick or something like that, and it would make it a lot easier for people to see, you know, what the product looks like then. Whereas at this level, you can still get a pretty good idea, but these ones are a lot bigger, you know, and a lot easier to see. So then let's look at your product here. Oh, very nice. Very cute. So I'm curious of how does somebody actually get this printed? I don't know how you would do that. Inspiring, print and cut at home, detailed print and cut stick for cry cut. Okay, so you got to have a cry cut. Printable sticker sheet is great for planners, bullet journals, greeting cards, stationery. Payment is confirmed. You're going to get this, that, and the other thing. 1 PNG, 1 JPEG with the lines. Instant digital download, and no physical item will be shipped. Personal use only. Okay, so all good, clear details. They have to have a printer and sticker paper. Okay, so everything looks really good. So what I would kind of recommend for you is I would really suggest selling the actual printed stickers as well, because I don't have a cry cut, right? So if you have the ability to print those out and sell them, I would recommend doing that, because you could sell them for a lot more money, and it's going to give you a lot more items in your shop. And I think the digital space is definitely a difficult one, because there's just so many people doing, you know, digital products. So let's look up Easter stickers. And there's a lot of stickers under Easter stickers, 64,000 products, whereas there's only 15,000 printed products. But there's just, I feel like it's going to be tougher. Well, if they have the cry cut, they're good to go. Let's see. Alexis is asking, is it okay to have one shop selling both digital and physical printed products in one shop? Absolutely, Alexis. So it's you can do both. You can have them all in there, and I think it's a good way to do it, because then there's going to be people that land on it and think, oh, like, I don't have a cry cut. Rob says it's Cricut, so maybe it's Cricut. I call it cry cut. Maybe it's a Cricut. I don't know how you say it. But if I don't have a Cricut, then I can't, I can't print it myself. I'm sorry, Rob. I changed it. I'm saying Cricut. It's pronounced. See, Alexis came in. You win, Rob. You win. Alexis sided with you. Okay, we'll call it the Cricut. But I'll tell you, they spelled it wrong, because there should be a K. I'm just saying, my mom would have given me a bad score on my spelling test, because I would have thought, see, this is hard. Life as a kid, trying to get the words right. You hear cricket and you think it's cricket, but then they play games with you. Who would have thought? Happy Valentine's Day, SVG bundle. Hey, it's okay. Rob wins them now and then. He's got to win some of these. Layered SVG file. So I think you've got really cute products. The big suggestions that I would give you is to try more photos for your thumbnails. So I would try to make the text as easy to read as possible, super simple for people to understand. I would probably put less text overall, and just make the headlines bigger for these. Like on this one here, you can't really, I have pretty good eyesight, and I can't really make out what that is without really, really squeezing and paying attention. So it's just too small overall. And it would be better to just say a few words, big and clear, versus trying to say too much. So I would try bigger text. I would also try different thumbnails. Like this product itself, this could be 4 different listings. You could do one listing with the hearts and the bunny and an Easter egg. You could do another listing where the photo thumbnail just has Happy Easter, an egg, and a bunny, and then another one could have some chicks in the basket, Happy Easter. So that could be a lot of different things. You could just literally copy this listing, like we were telling someone a few minutes ago, put different thumbnail photos showcasing 2 or 3 of these stickers, but much larger, and they would be a lot easier to see from the thumbnail level. And then I would recommend you sell the actual printed versions of these stickers for people that just want to buy it and be done. And then the last thing I would say is to just keep putting more products into your shop. Because with, I would say from my experience with my shop, it really just came down to publishing a lot of different products into my shop, just lots of different things, more things. And we've taken a lot of products out now, but to figure out what works, you just have to produce things. And it's like, you're just giving it more tries. You're just giving yourself more chances at bat. And then eventually you land on the ones that work really well and people fall in love with. So that's my suggestion.